Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make Steam profile public, and now let's dive right in. Now to make your Steam profile public, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I have already logged in over here. And after logging into your account, this kind of interface will appear, and over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your username available for us of your Steam account with the drop down arrow. Click on your username at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the view my profile option over here, which is the first one just above account details. Click on view my profile and you land on this interface where you can see the edit profile button is available for us at the right side where my mouse is hovering. Click on the edit profile button over here and you land on this interface where you can see the privacy settings option available for us at the left side over here at the bottom left of this panel. Click on the privacy settings. Now you can see here it says the my profile and it's currently on private. Now in order to make your profile public, click on the private button over here with the drop down arrow, and you can see guys, you can or you will be able to make your Steam account public to all of the public or your friends only. So if you want to make your account available to your friends only, click on friends only, but if you want to make it public, click on the public button and it will be saved over here, you can see. And with that being done guys, your Steam account will be made public. And guys, this is how to make Steam profile public, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.